everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. Okay, are we on the article?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to read this one? This is why Amazon Flex drivers are quitting.
Yeah, so drivers who quit Flex and got a real job, how's that going for you? This person said, I left all gig work for a regular job in IT. While I did good with the gig work, I am making $72K in IT. I do miss the flexibility, but it's about trade-offs. I feel like, you know, if you wanted to make $72K a year doing Uber as well, like you would end up working more hours.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, sure, you can pick which hours you want that to be, but it's like you're gonna be working more. Okay, I went back to my field and I hate it. I'm making seriously good money and now I have a pension, but I miss the entertainment that flexing provided sometimes. Doing flex is like a booty call. Some days you want some to you. Some days she's on her period and you just don't get any. The problem is everyone wants a chick but forget to have a main chick to complete themselves.
How do people talk like this? Oh, it's right. People are so messed up.
I stopped working flex to work at a travel stop. It lasted 3 weeks.
Work at a travel stop? What do you do at a travel stop?
I don't know.
Like maintenance?
I don't know.
Maintenance or like landscaping?
Maybe. This job is meant to be part-time. Facts. If you make it full-time, it's going to eat you up. The whole gig economy industry is good for
gobble.
If you do it full-time, it will eat you up 24/7 because you're constantly thinking about it on your phone, refreshing, checking to see if there's any blocks or instant offer. It's effing sad.
It's effing sad.
Yeah, so everyone's saying like this is a good side gig, but you shouldn't make it your main job.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. So yeah, I mean, Amazon Flex drivers are quitting because the pay is not enough and it's not consistent. I mean, this guy, the whole booty call guy, it's actually, you know, like there's a lot of truth to what he says. Like some days it's good and some days it's just not. And you can't, if you have a family to feed, you cannot rely on something that some days you just don't get any ride or don't get any deliveries.
Yeah, that's why you need a main chick, aka a main job.
No Holiday Man, like he is spitting some facts on Reddit. Like this is a great analogy, honestly.
Very insightful.
Yeah. We should get this guy on, No Holiday Man.